Alright, I'm going to be starting a live stream on my Out and About channel, but I'm doing a review on the second phone. Trying this new restaurant. I just walked by, Vietnamese Cuisine, BeLeaf soft opening. So, I already got a table, I'm just waiting. And action! So he's gonna light it up. And this is the complimentary tea. What kind of tea is it?
Jasmine.
Jasmine, oh my favorite. Thank you. So complimentary jasmine tea. Lovely. Okay, so I'm gonna pour myself some tea. Jasmine tea, complimentary. Very good. All right, my food has arrived. I ordered the, what is it called? The pho with brisket. And the appetizer is spring rolls. And it's a vegetable or vegetarian spring roll. I have the sauces and bean sprouts, lime. Let's stir it up and see how it looks inside. Oh, nice noodles. It looks nice portion, good, nice and hearty. And the brisket is like that. Cool. Cilantro, green onions. All right. Give it a try. Okay, we're gonna give this a try. Always go for the noodles first. It's very slippery. Gonna try some noodles. It's good. I can taste the broth. It's very flavorful. The broth is really nice. It's a beef broth. It's very good. It's not salty at all. I love this. The soup spoon is nice. All right, so let's taste the beef. So this is different. The brisket is thin slices, opposed to like chunky pieces that I'm normally used to seeing as a brisket. It's tender, very good. All right, I'm gonna try the spring roll. Nicely filled. The sauce that goes with it is more runny than like a thicker plum sauce. Yep. Take your bite. Okay. For a soft opening, I think is really good. Very good. Grilled beef batal leaf roll. My first time trying this. It's minced meat, right? It's flavorful, very flavorful. I can't describe the flavors, but it's flavorful. Different. I'm gonna have to Google. I'm gonna Google the type of leaf and put it in, add it in the ticker when I edit this other video. Different. That was the vein, like from the. If it's, is it called vein on the leaf? It looks like in between a cabbage, spinach. Take your bite. We'll be back for sure. This is their soft opening, so I'll come back in a week or so and see. Hopefully they'll be set up fully. But it's really good. Take your bite. So come on here on Carlton. It's called BeLeaf Vietnamese Cuisine. It's right across the street from Holiday Inn or the old Maple Leaf Gardens.